Updates. While we haven't seen Oreo yet on our review unit, we have received 2 software updates already, the latest one coming with the February 1, 2018 security patch level. That's just 1 month behind what's current, and unfortunately not many mid-rangers can boast even this level of security fixes, so props to Huawei here for doing a slightly better job than others. We are hoping for improvements in this area in the future, but not holding our breath. Bugs. No piece of software is bug-free, and IMEA on the Mate 10 Lite is no different. We've encountered around 1 random reboot every week, and there are times when the camera app simply refuses to start from the home screen or app drawer, showing a black screen for a minute or 2 before we give up and try to go back. That brings us to the fact that when an app or the system misbehaves in any way, everything else will usually slow down to a crawl. Going back to the home screen or trying to invoke the multitasking menu when the camera app bugs out sometimes takes 30 seconds or so from when we tap the corresponding button in the navigation bar and until the desired thing actually happens. General slowdowns are covered more on the next page of this review. Additionally, at random times the recent taps menu takes around 2-3 seconds to come up, even if there's theoretically nothing intensive going on in the background, and that doesn't make for very smooth multitasking.